So good morning guys, my name is Arnold. Situmah. I'm a web developer. Actually, I'm a full stack developer. So today I want to show you a project that I worked on the previous week and I finished it yesterday. So today I'm going to show you what I've done. So this is a basic to-do list. You can see there's the login page here. Then if maybe I haven't registered, I can just click here on the link to register. So it's the register part. So we can start by registering someone like let's say Mike. The username can be Mike, then the password can be also Mike in small letters. So if I click register, it will take me to the username already exists. Okay, so I can choose another like Kevin. Then the password should be 1 to 12. Then I click register and it will take me to the login page. So inside my login page, I can just register. I can just log in with the username which I've just created. Then the password is 12. Then login page. So here it is. So this, like I told you, this is just a basic to-do list. So there's the pending task here. This is just cards. There's the complete task card. Then there's the total task card. And here you can filter out based on priorities. Then on status, maybe it's completed, pending, and or status. I'll just show you and demonstrate it now, right now. So let's say I want to pick up my friends from the airport. Then that's the title of my to-do list. Then the task description, I can write something like my friends are flying in from Canada tomorrow, something like that. So like now, the time I'm recording this video, it's on 19th, which is Monday. So I'll just pick the day tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So it will be on the 20th, something like that. And I can set the priority to be high priority. Then click on add task. Let me just correct this one. Then I click on add task. And here it is. So you can see there's one pending task and the total task is 1. There are 0 completed tasks. So I can just add another thing, a dummy text like pick up groceries. Something like that. Maybe I can just add some random words like lorem ipsum, something like that, doesn't matter. Then I'll choose the date maybe to be today. Then priority will be something like a low priority. Now if I click on add task, you'll see there are 2 tasks, and you can see here the border left, they have different colors. Red means it's a high priority, green means it's a low priority. So maybe I've finished up picking up the groceries, I want to complete it. So now you can see there are 2 pending tasks. The first task is picking up my groceries, then the another task is pick up my friends from the airport. So if I click complete on picking up my groceries, you can see the total pending task remains to be 1. The completed task is also 1. Then the total task is 2 because I have 2 tasks. I've only completed 1, which is picking up my groceries. So here it is. So if I also maybe I've already picked up my friend from the airport, I can just click on complete. So you can see there are 0 pending tasks, 2 completed tasks, and the total tasks that are inside my system is 2. So you can see that. So maybe if I finished it, I can just delete this one. Then there's this alert message. Are you sure you want to delete this task? Yes. And it will be deleted, and even the system will auto calculate now. So there are 0 pending task, is completed task 1, then total task is 1. It is. So if I delete this one, and there it is. So that's just my basic system. To show you how to filter out data, I can just log into an already existing user, which is just me, by the way. It's called Joshua, and my password is this one. So you can see here, this is just my username actually. So I have 6 tasks here, and all of them are pending. So I can filter out by priorities. Maybe I want high priorities. So you can see there's only one high priority here. I can filter out to media priority. So you can see media priorities have an orange border left color here. So here they are. I can filter out to low priority. So there are no low priority actually. If I click here on all priorities, there's either a high priority or a medium priority. There's no low priority. And I can also filter out on status, maybe completed. There's none completed task. All of them are pending, which is that. So yeah, you can even edit a list. Maybe you want to upload a YouTube tutorial about adding audio in my website, something like that. Then I click on update task, then cancel it. So you can see here it's up, it's already edited. Yeah. So thank you guys for listening to me. I'll leave the link to my system on the comment section, or maybe below down on the description section. So please like and follow me. Have a nice day.